Hi Dresser Cuties! Today we're going to draw a cornucopia to celebrate fall. So let's get started. To draw this cornucopia, we're going to first start by drawing all the fruits that we want to put in the foreground, in the front. So I'm just going to start basically with a bunch of grapes. So I'm just going to go ahead right here and just start and draw a bunch of circles and just stick them together. So maybe, let's see here, 4 of them. And now I'm just going to build up my bunch. So you can make your bunch of grapes as big as you want. And here and there. There's no right or wrong way. You just want to add a bunch of circles together. Maybe some up here. And just build it up into the shape that you want. So I'm just basically kind of building it into a bunch that kind of tapers towards the bottom. So let's see here. Right here. It's getting smaller. And I'll stop about right there. If I want to add more, I will later. See how it goes. So about right here, I'm just going to add a stem for my first bunch of grapes. And let's see, let's add one more right here. Okay, so then from there, let's draw an apple right next to this grape. So the first apple I'll draw is, let's see here, I'm just going to add a curve and a stem. And I'm just going to go around it. And come to a little curve at the bottom. And let's see here, maybe another one right here. So apples come in all different kinds of shapes. Some are very round, some are a little bit more heart shape. So it's all up to you. So maybe this one is a little bit more heart shaped. And let's see here, maybe in the back right here, I'll add a squash. So just remember, when you're drawing this cornucopia, there's no right or wrong way. This drawing is just meant to inspire you to come up with whatever you want to add to your cornucopia. So maybe a little squash right there. Okay, now let's start to come this way. So I'm going to maybe add 2 ears of corn right here. So let's see, let's make my grape a little bit bigger. Okay, so then from there, let's start with our corn. So I'm going to come about, say, right here. Just draw my first ear, round it off, and bring it back. And then let's tuck this in. I'm just going to come in here and draw the leaves. They'll curve out. And let's see here, I'm going to tuck another one in here. Right next to it. And the leaves. So wherever you have this weird space that you don't really know what to do with it, just add a grape. There, see? Now I've added something and you wouldn't know, right? There. Okay, so then from there, let's add some details to this corn. I'm going to come in here with some curves just to give our corn some volume. And just come right across for some easy lines to make it look like corn. Okay, so same thing on this side. Just an easier way to do this without having to go in there and draw every kernel. There. I should add one more on this one. Okay, much better. Okay, so we have our ear of corn in, 2 ears of corn in. Let's come over here. I'm going to draw a pear. So we're still kind of in this same area, same level. So about right here, I'll draw a little pear. You gotta have a pear, right, in your cornucopia for fall. A little stem. Okay, so we got pear in, maybe add a little, I don't know, maybe a little melon, something. So just add a little circle towards the end. You can add a little stem. Let me bring the stem in. There, now it looks more like a fruit. Okay, so then from there you can add little plums, whatever you want. Tomatoes, little crab apples. So here and there you can just add little fruits. Now that we have the fruits and vegetables in the foreground pretty much drawn in, let's come and draw the background, which is basically my star pumpkin right here. So I'm just going to add a big pumpkin right here. So I'm going to come up, say this is going to be my center. So about right here, I'll just add a stem for my pumpkin. And for our pumpkin, I'm just going to come in here with zigzag like that. And I'm just going to come in and build up my pumpkin all the way down. So whatever shape pumpkin you want, it's all up to you. There, got my pumpkin in. And then from there, let's start to decorate to fill in the space with some wheat and some leaves. So I'm going to come in here with my first stalk of wheat. So I'm just going to add my curve. It's going to be my second one right here. So easier way to do that is have your curve in, then come up here, draw the first one at the top, and then basically you're just going to be drawing kind of like leaves all the way down. On both sides. Okay, so same thing on this one. And wherever there's not enough space, just tuck it in. There. Now some leaves, so from some fall leaves, I'm just going to tuck in some leaves right here. Maybe another one right here. So we're just aiming for a beautiful display of fruits and leaves. So you can come in here for some detail. And right here. Okay, so I have that in. Now, not too crazy about my bunch of grapes right here, so I'm just going to taper it a little bit more. So the shape is a little bit better. Okay, so then maybe I'm going to add a flatten out sitting on a leaf right here because I need something in this space. So have fun with this. Let's see here. You can add some leaves right here too if you wanted, or you can leave that blank. It's all up to you. Okay, and then let's see here, maybe some two right here just to finish it off. So I'm just going to go in here and finish off this display right here. Okay, so I hope you get the idea of what you can do with all of this. And let's see here. So that's pretty much it for this part right here. So then I'm going to draw the cornucopia now. So to make it really easy, that's why I had my pumpkin right in the center, because whatever fruit or vegetable you put right in the center, all you need to do is to draw a kind of like a circle around your main vegetable. So right here, I'm just going to add a circle around it for the opening of my cornucopia. That way it's just a little bit easier to draw. And then I'm going to come in here, give it an edge. And I'm going to come in now with curves all the way around to give my basket here some details. So just keep going with these curves all the way through. Okay, so then now let's draw that little horn shape. We're going to come to the top of this basket part right here, and I'm just going to come down and whip it up all the way towards the back. Make a little curve and bring it back. It just depends on how much detail you want to give this basket, and just bring it all the way back in. There, got the horn in, and I'm going to come in here and let's see here, shade this part in so you can see it a little bit better. So this is going to be the inside of the basket. So I hope this tutorial right here with the cornucopia makes it a lot easier for you to draw a cornucopia. Sometimes it does get tricky to draw the fruits inside, so hopefully this is an easier way. There, now you can see a little bit better, right? Okay, now to add some details to this cornucopia at the back right here. So you just kind of want to draw these curves that follow the shape going across. So it's just going to go curve. It's going to get smaller. And winding it in. So and if you want, you can come in here and just pop things out. So it's not so straight and flat. There, and then you can come in here now if you wanted to make this really cute. You can add some eyes to your fruit. It's all up to you. So if you wanted to add eyes, I'm going to come in here with my pumpkin and add 2 circles right here for some drastic cute eyes. I just couldn't resist. So if you want to make your cornucopia really cute, you can just bring these fruits and vegetables to life. It's the same thing on this side. Just going pretty fast, I know, because I don't want this video to take forever. If I'm going too fast, just pause the video. This is just to give you an idea of all the things you could do. Okay, so then let's come up here really quickly, a little curve, and a sweet little smile. And let's draw some details for our pumpkin here. And let's see, you can add make this little squash very happy if you want it. And a cute little apple perhaps. And another happy apple. So there, that's pretty much it for this Just So Cute Cornucopia. I hope it inspires you to give it a try and it was easy for you to follow. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Just So Cute videos. See you later.